Biodiversity is supposedly high in the park connectors. They are home to dozens of species of birds, insects, and other fauna, and many species of plants. Trees have also been planted to offer other ecosystem services like shade, temperature reduction, flood prevention, and aesthetic benefits. We spoke to some nature enthusiasts about their activities in the park connectors and what they thought about the natural environment that had been created.
Normally, I come here on a bird watching thing.
Okay.
So normally I start from the other end.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then I go to the other end to the harbor front side.
Mm-hmm.
Normally it's mostly for birds.
And are there a lot of birds around here?
Seasonally, yes. The answer is yes and no.
Okay.
Right? There's a lot of birds, but they're common ones.
Yeah, exactly.
The seasonal ones, they're on the other end.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, but those are like December, January, like sometime like this month,
Mm-hmm.
and then they'll go away for 2 or 3 months. Then they come back like a few months later.
We only do fishing here. Yeah.
So, do you find that like since you started coming here, has the number of fish like gone down?
I think it's still the same because we don't kill that much.
Yeah.
We release them back. So we see small ones, we release them back.
Yeah.
There are plenty of them out there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because every time we catch, right, we still get the same amount. So I'm
Yeah,
sure,
okay, yeah.
yeah, I'm
That's
sure
true.
there's more.
Others that we spoke to, however, were less optimistic. One man reflected that in previous years, there were many more birds to be spotted along the park connectors. However, due to construction nearby, their numbers had dwindled.